Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be participating in the Fall Clean Closet Challenge hosted by Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi and Jessica at Casa Magnolia. I'm excited because I decided to do my pantry for this challenge, and I've been meaning to do my pantry for a while, and this just gave me the extra oomph to actually do it. I'm looking forward to cleaning it all out and wiping the counters and reorganizing everything again and finding new spots for everything. It's amazing how every year you can change up your organization and move things around, and how much of a difference it actually makes. So come along with me as I organize and clean my pantry. Enjoy! As you can see, my pantry was a wreck. I had all the right tools, the bins, the baskets, but they just weren't utilized correctly. And most of them just turned into junk collectors. A few years ago, I labeled all of my bins, and I just love the way that that looks. I had everything categorized correctly in my pantry. It just was kind of all thrown in there. So I wanted to get baskets and bins to kind of corral all those items together. Up moving my bins around and putting them on different shelves to make them fit better. Here's a sneak peek of my pantry door that I made out of a vintage screen door. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss the video on where I got it and how I gave it new life. So here's my pantry all finished. I got all those wire baskets at a yard sale for really cheap, and I love the way that they turned out. It really just helps corral each of those different items together to make it just look more clean and crisp. here's my favorite part about my pantry, these amazing containers that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I really want to change my entire pantry so that it's only those containers. They are so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to clean out your pantry. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you again soon.